Okay, so just want to put it out there. We have a demon microwave. It's plugged in because the light on the inside is on, but the light here is shut off, right? See? It's open. No one's pressed any buttons. Watch. It's rotating. And now it's off. Like... Where's the lights won't even go back on. See, look. And now he spins by himself. Guys, look, it's spinning by itself again.
I do not like the microwave.
We have a monster microwave. Oh, Lord. See that rotation while the door is open? We had to record it because we feel like no one would believe us unless we had proof. We should put this on YouTube.
Oh, God.
Demon microwave. Let's see. Is it still spinning? Can't even see. Rotation. Still no light. I don't understand. What's wrong?